Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, guess what is on our menu today? How to make sardines at home. So I'm going to go ahead and introduce the ingredients. So you're going to need approximately 2 tablespoons of ground garlic, a medium size of chopped red onions, about a teaspoon of both black and white pepper, some parsley flakes, ground ginger about a tablespoon, about a teaspoon of salt, some chopped capsicum red pepper, your sardine fish, and olive oil. So I'm going to be using approximately half to a cup of olive oil. You can also include olives and some bay leaves when making your sardine, but we're going to stick to these ingredients. So the first thing we're going to do will be to take care of our sardine fish as follows. So get your fish. The scales have already been taken off, so if the scales are still on, make sure to scrape off the scales. So we're going to go ahead and remove the fins with the aid of a kitchen scissors. Then cut off the head and the tail area like this. Do same for all the fishes. Take off the fins, cut off the tail and the head area. Now that we are done with the heads, tail and fins, we're going to go ahead and take off the intestines or the internal parts of the fish. If there's a possibility of pinching the middle part, which is the bony area, and taking it off, then do so. Try as much as possible to debone the fish before boiling. Although the boiling process is going to soften the bones. So guys, this is what we have. Keep this aside. Continue and do same with your other sardine fishes. So guys, this is our well prepared sardine fish. The next thing will be to wash this. So guys, our sardine fishes have been well cleaned, gutted and washed. The next thing we're going to do will be to boil our sardines. And guys, note that we're going to do it in a pressure pot. So guys, get you a pressure pot. Put your onions under the pot, your capsicum red peppers, your garlic, your ginger, black and white pepper, your olive oil, your parsley, and keep aside for a minute. So go ahead and sprinkle some salt on your sardine fish. Add some black and white pepper. Gently rub that into the fishes. Guys, you really want to be gentle on these. Keep this aside. Place your fish in the pressure pot like this. Put some water. Guys, look at the quantity of water used. About 1.5 cups. Cover this up. Boil your sardines for 30 minutes to approximately 1 hour on low medium heat. So guys, note that normally you start counting your 30 minutes after you hear the sizzling sound from your pressure pot. So guys, our sardine is ready. We're gonna check and see for ourselves. I hope you can see everything clearly. Just beautiful. Your beautiful sardines, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Love and light your way. Bye bye.